If you want to link Instagram on Squarespace, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to add your Instagram profile link to your Squarespace site, and then make sure it actually appears in your header so visitors can find it easily. This is perfect if you want to drive more traffic to your Instagram, make your website look more professional, or just connect your social presence in a clean and simple way. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy website guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the main control panel for your site, where you can manage pages, settings, and design options. From here, look for your main menu and open settings. Inside settings, find and click social links. This is where Squarespace lets you add the social profiles you want connected to your website. Now you'll see a text field where you can enter your Instagram link. Make sure you paste your exact Instagram profile URL. For example, it should look something like https:/instagram.com for your username. Be careful here because you want to add your profile link, not just a random page or post. Once you paste the URL, press enter to confirm it. Squarespace should register the link right away. After that, click save so the changes are stored on your site. This step is important because if you forget to save, your Instagram link may not appear later. Once saved, your Instagram profile is now connected in Squarespace. But there's one more step if you want it to show up in your site header, which is usually the most visible place for visitors. To do that, go to your homepage and click Edit. This opens the page editor. Then hover over your header area and click Edit Site Header. In the header settings, select Elements. Here you'll find different items you can show or hide in the header. Look for the social links switch and turn it on. When you enable social links, Squarespace will display your connected social icons in your header, including Instagram. This is a great way to make your social media easy to access from every page on your site. If you don't see it right away, double check that the Instagram URL was saved correctly and that the social links toggle is enabled. And that's it. You've now linked Instagram on Squarespace and displayed it in your site header. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in how professional and connected your website feels. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.